Anything she can do, I can do better. I betcha. Nigga, I betcha. Anything she can do, I can do better. I betcha. Nigga, I betcha.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair and makeup transformation on myself. First, I'm going to tell you guys about this hair that I'm wearing, and then I'm going to show you guys a really simple pink eyeshadow look. So this hair is from Nadula Hair, and you guys know I love their hair. This is their Indian straight hair, and I made a wig out of it. I have two bundles and a closure, and they are in the links 14, 12, and 12. Night before this, I made it into a wig, and I made sure to bleach the knots on the closure like I always do. And then I washed all three bundles, and then I made the wig, and I let the wig dry overnight, and then by the next day it was ready for me to style. So right now I'm just straightening the hair, and then the other side I did off camera. The reason why I got my bundles this short is because I knew I wanted to do a sleek blunt cut bob. You guys know I live for a nice bob. So that's what I did. Before I did that, I made sure to flatten up the top with my styling mousse. And then I'm just going to comb through it and make sure all the sides are even. Sorry if I look mad, guys, but it's tough trying to fix these wigs and make sure they are snatched and looking good. I'm really enjoying myself actually, and I'm sitting here chilling watching Law and Order while I do this. So I'm not mad, and I'm sorry I look angry, guys. This time around, I didn't want a super short bob like I usually have them. I wanted something in the middle, so I really didn't have to cut off much. But after I did my makeup, I figured this length was a little awkward, so I went in and I cut just a little bit more, but you guys will see that. Now I have my bob done. I'm just going to go ahead and get in makeup. The first thing I'm doing, as always, is my brows, and I'm using my NYX brow pencil. So this eyeshadow look is really easy. I only use one palette. This is my Morphe 35B palette. The first shadow that I'm going to use is that pale peach color, and I'm just going to use that as a base. Next, I'm using the bright orange in there, and I'm going to put that as my transition. Next, I'm using this super hot pink color on my lid, and I'm making sure to pack it on because it goes on light at first, but you just have to build it up. I'm taking that same orange color I used for my transition, and I'm just going to blend that pink out so it's not so harsh. Off camera, I put on my lashes in the style Rabel, and those are from Bebella Cosmetics. And now I'm putting on my primer, my Angel Veil primer as always. And my foundation routine is completely the same. There's nothing different. So I'm not going to talk over it. I'm just going to make sure I go through it fast for you guys. So now I'm going back to eyes, and I'm using the same pink shade that I used on my lid for my bottom lash line. For highlighter, I'm using my Ruby Kisses, and I cannot think of the other one right now, but definitely check the description box for the name of that one. I use it all the time. And finally, for lips, I'm using Chestnut Lipliner by MAC, and then my gloss is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Definitely check out Nadula Hair Company. All the information for this hair will be down in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video.